guys, welcome back. Today's another exciting episode of Master Designs. We're gonna draw a legendary alien. Today, we're gonna draw Alien X. That's right, folks. If you guys are excited, if you must know, Alien X is one of Ben's strongest aliens. And today is the 150th anniversary of Master Designs. If you guys are excited for this episode, be sure to like and subscribe. Alien X is one of the original Ben 10 aliens from Ben 10 Alien Force. Known facts about Alien X, Ben can only access his power if he can get the two other personalities inside of his head to agree. And truth be told, Alien X's power has only been seen twice. He used one time to stop the water, and he used Alien X to locate the map of infinity. And another time was when he accessed him. You see, in the video game, in the Omniverse video game, Ben transformed into Alien X in order to stop Vilgax from destroying Earth. But you get the idea. Anyways, when drawing Alien X, make sure to draw a few stars. Make sure to draw a few stars into his body. Like I said, Alien X can do just about anything, because he's like the star of the show. He's like the ultimate soul, the ultimate force, the ultimate alien. Sorry folks, we're having a few technical difficulties with the camera, but there we go. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw the Omnitrix symbol on his chest. Make sure to draw this part here. There we go. Almost there. Okay, yeah. We're almost done. Let me just draw a few stars into his well-being, into his body. Okay, we're almost done. Truth be told, Alien X is rather motionless. Unless Ben can get him in action. hopefully we'll see Alien X into action one of these days. Hopefully when they actually reboot the show into an anime, we can see Alien X as the ultimate alien. Okay, glad I got that done. And done. That is how you draw Alien X. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? Anyways, he looks amazing, right? In my 100th episode of Master Designs, I drew Mewtwo. But since this is the 150th episode, I managed to draw Alien X. Pretty splendid, don't you think, guys? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of amazing character I'll draw you guys next. Till then, I'll see you guys later, and I'll blast off to the sky. Permission to sign off? Seconded, motion carried.